Imagine the future of manufacturing. How we will produce and supply products. Which methods and technologies will companies adopt to operate as agile, fast, and cost efficiently as possible? And imagine what it would be like if all data of the entire value chain, such as material flows, manufacturing and logistics data, could be linked with quality and predictive data. Smart, flexible workflows are the answer to market dynamics and ever shorter life cycles. Wouldn't it be more efficient and most of all resource saving if companies could keep an overview of the entire value chain at all times, thanks to intelligent monitoring and transparent processes? Of course, automated manufacturing is no new vision. The basis for artificial intelligence and predictive maintenance has already been established in many places. However, connecting all units in the Internet of Things, from machines and mobile robots to products, not only marks a new trend, but a whole new technological era, the Industry 4.0. A key factor for this development is the use of future-oriented technologies that do not break with the existing environment, but rather enable a smart transformation. This is where our company Sofico comes in, because with Orchestra we make you the conductor of your data. My name is Rica Holzmann and I am responsible for the international partner management at Sofico. Sofico offers software solutions and is an expert in integrating different IT systems. Within the Extension Group, we have been supporting more than 900 customers for over 20 years worldwide. Giving an example, Orchestra serves across all production sites as a data integration platform at SCHOTT, the leading specialist in glass and glass ceramics. The gained information adds values for customers, management, production and IT at SCHOTT. It also meets the highest requirements regarding security and documentation in highly regulated industries. Sofico works in intercultural teams to drive digitization around the world with a strong focus on Industry 4.0. In manufacturing, a fast and secure data exchange between different actors is important to enable a smart product development. A flexible communication of different systems supports the use of product and manufacturing data between manufacturer, customer and supplier. This opens up a new market segment for suppliers, customers, as well as for machine and plant manufacturers. With Orchestra, the production data becomes machine-readable and interpretable, and thus forms the basis for these new forms of comprehensive data exchange. Orchestra is a low-coding platform for connecting all components of automation application, for example plants, machines, control and management systems. Thus, Orchestra is a mediator between all participants within a value chain. Our ambition is making you the conductor of your data with Orchestra. We create the basis for technical systems to self-optimize the production through self-analysis and to ensure transparency through information transfer. This is how an intelligent production, the smart factory, works. Continuous and seamless communication is essential for a smart factory. Machines, products and people must be able to understand each other in order to interact. This requires standardization in the area of interfaces. One possible protocol for data exchange is the Open Platform Communication Unified Architecture, OPC-UA for short. It standardizes the language which machines use to communicate. The use of a manufacturing service bus such as Orchestra in combination with OPC-UA introduces a new era of integration in manufacturing. OPC-UA is an independent communication protocol. It is neither bound to platforms, languages, nor to operating systems. In addition, OPC-UA enables transporting machine data and writing semantic descriptions in a machine-readable form. The classic automation pyramid is thus obsolete. A service-oriented architecture enables both vertical and horizontal integration and communication. Especially in industry, the major challenge is to implement new IT systems and solutions, as it involves a high effort and investment. By using Orchestra, these challenges can be mastered. Orchestra ensures that existing systems are also made suitable for Industry 4.0 and connects new and old facilities and IT systems quickly and easily. The existing structures do not have to be replaced, as Orchestra can be implemented in any IT system landscape. That makes our solution highly scalable. Scalability is also of high priority in the future development of Orchestra. Even if only a new interface is added to an existing system, the design is flexibly expandable and can be adapted to any new standard. Sofico supports its customers in all phases of an IT project, from strategy, analysis, and conceptual design to the implementation of the final IT system and its further development. Our aim is to understand the needs of our customers and to develop ideal solutions. The professional approach usually marks the beginning of a long-term relationship with customers, both on a local and international market. To sum up, I would like to give you 7 benefits of being the conductor of your data. First, our integration platform enables a flexible and secure transport and transfer of production data across the entire value chain. The protection of investment is guaranteed by standardized data communication, regardless of the high number of various protocols and formats. The integrated monitoring ensures the transparent supervision of all processes and systemically relevant conditions. Orchestra as a low-coding platform is the key element for the implementation of a versatile, flexible production. Intelligent workflows enable any combination of connection of data from different sources. Value-added services improve the digital collaboration between manufacturers, suppliers, and customers and create new business models. Thanks to its platform independence, the solution runs on a variety of devices, from the electrical enclosure to the cloud. Individual services, support and training complete our portfolio. With this perfect future-proof combination of software and services, we are entering the era of Industry 4.0 with our customers and partners.